Yes, welcome to my vlog once again. What it? What is it? I think it's barley or millet. I don't know. Oh, it's ganza, but I don't know. Nepal have been legalized it that, but yeah, it's the local village of Tiraglu. Look, here we go, and our I think what is again? Wow, so beautiful. What's it? If you know, please comment and let's go. What's it? Yeah, I think Span in Nepal. But most of the farmers are. You have to say something, my brother. Let's go. What is it? That's Timur. Which one? Jano. Oh, Jano. We have to go down there by walking. Yes, and last time we have visited over there. What's happened over there? No. Snow.
Production area.
Yeah, it's potato production area, and it's ready for potato. It's ready for potato, and look at it. Wow, it's very peaceful. Yeah. Oh, it's not Silajit, but it's so peaceful. Wow, bamboo, local bamboo of Nepal. Wow, silent. Oof. It's difficult for me. It's because it's too much time to get in the hilly region. It makes me difficult, and so I'm tired. Last last time we have visited that one. That's the top over there. Oh, that's a tower, Ansel Tower. We'll visit. Oh, don't fart, don't fart, dude. You have contributed to air pollution, noise pollution. Yeah, I think it's quite good and quite suitable for potato farming. And over there was a farmer with carrying FIM to use over there. That's a look at the view. Wow, that's the plot used for that one. That one too. I think here is potato farming quite very much successful. Yeah, sunny day, but oh, I'm tired. Wow, but it's quite. If you want to visit Pagalung, please visit this area because this is quite good, beautiful, in the rural area of Barung district. That's in Nepal. And yeah, it's like a trekking route, but we are headed towards the farmer's field. Yeah. Oh my God, that's too deep over there. Oh my God. So what? It's like 20 meters down. Be careful to walk over there. Let's go, my boy. What's it? That's one. Wow. We have to visit. It's not our farmer's house. Let's look at the beauty. Slightly. But that's the beauty of the rural area of this district, because everywhere, from every hills, we have to see the Dhaulagiri peak over there. And here, that area, I think it's Annapurna. It's Annapurna, and that area also some here mountains. Oh my God! Oh, look at the beautiful view. That's it for it. Please share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for a quick update. Oh, here is one, but it's like somebody. Oh, it's not my fault. Then, oh, here it is. Yeah. Okay, dude. I'm coming.